Hi everybody, how are you? Students, this is a GK class for Standard 3 students, and through this video we will know about your chapter 7. Your topic name is space travel. So dear students, today's topic is space travel from your GK book. Come to our topic and let us know about what is space, what do you mean by space travel, etc. etc. Come to the topic. Friends, this is your GK book and today we will read about your chapter 7, space travel. Before go through this chapter, let me clear one thing. What is space? What is space? Space is all the vacuumed area that contains all the existing celestial bodies such as planets, stars, asteroids, galaxies, etc. Space is all the vacuumed area. वो एक ऐसा empty area है that contains all the existing celestial bodies like moon, sun, 8 planets, galaxies, etc. etc. तो स्पेस में जो हमारे आसमान में जो देख रहे हैं उससे भी ऊपर स्पेस होता है, तो वो होता है स्पेस, जिसमें हमारा अर्थ भी है, वो स्पेस में हमारा मून भी है. द व्हीकल टुडे वी नो दैट what is space. Space travel means when we travel on land, that means on earth we travel by bus, train, we can travel from one place to another place by aeroplane, ship, etc. etc. Like this, when we want to travel in a space, then we use a special vehicle that is called spacecraft. That is called spacecraft. The vehicle that is used to travel in space is called spacecraft. स्पेस में जाने के लिए हमें जो व्हीकल चाहिए वो होता है स्पेसक्राफ्ट. देन व्हेन ए स्पेसक्राफ्ट इज यूज्ड ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, दैट मीन्स अगर एक स्पेसक्राफ्ट ऊपर और ऊपर उड़ता जाएगा बार बार, that is called space shuttle. That is called space shuttle. When a spacecraft is used over and over again, it is called space shuttle. Next point, when a space shuttle starts it firing a large amount of gas towards the earth. That means when we throw a space shuttle or we start a space shuttle from earth to space, then it starts with firing a large amount of gases, downwards the earth. Everything is completely weightless in space. In space everything is weightless because there is no outer force, only the inner force is active there, so everything is completely weightless. The space travelers are called astronauts. When someone go to space with the help of spacecraft or space shuttle, then we call him astronaut. So the traveler of a space is called astronaut. Astronauts sleep in the vertical position. When they go to the space, they sleep in vertical position with their sleeping bags, because the sleeping bags also vertical position, so they sleep in vertical position, firmly strapped to their sleeping bags. Astronaut, look at this students. Space means dark area where the planets, asteroids, galaxies are situated, and this is a space shuttle or spacecraft. Astronauts are look like this, and this dress is called space suit. When we go to space, a special dress we wear that is called space suit. Like when we come to school we wear uniforms, when we go to swim we wear swim suit. Like this, when we go to space or when astronauts are go to space, they wear space suit. The dress of an astronaut is called space suit. Then come to our hard copy. Astronauts sleep in the vertical position. The first astronaut who reached in space is Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin is the first astronaut to reach in the space. Remember it. Yuri Gagarin is the first astronaut who reached in the space. The first spacecraft to land on the moon. Moon means हमारा मून होता है हमारा उपग्रह. वहाँ पे पहले लैंड किए थे कौन? Spacecraft. The first spacecraft to land on the moon was Apollo 11, and the astronaut on the moon was Neil Armstrong. So other two people were going with Neil Armstrong, but Neil Armstrong was the first person who stamped his feet on the moon through the spacecraft Apollo 11, and it is launched November 3rd November 1950. 3rd November. The first living being to orbit the Earth was a dog named Laika in the spacecraft shuttle named Sputnik 2. Satellite named Sputnik 2. Dear students, we know that our planets are in the space, and our own planet Earth is also in space. So when the scientists are want to orbit the Earth, because every planet has an orbit. So the first living being to orbit the Earth was a dog named Laika, जो कि स्पुतनिक 2 महाकाशयान से भेजा गया था अर्थ में उसके ऑर्बिट को गोल चक्कर करने के लिए, यानी कि कंप्लीट करने के लिए. वो एक एनिमल था, डॉग था, उसका नाम था लाइका. उसका नाम क्या था? लाइका. In 1957, astronauts wear spacesuit for space travels. ये मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ. Astronauts wear spacesuit for space travel. So dear students, this is some information about the space. You have to write out in your copy and practice it. Let's come to our question. Number 1, what are space travelers called? I have already told you that the space travelers are called astronauts. Astronauts. The space travelers are called astronauts. So this is the right answer. A spacecraft that is used over and over again is called space shuttle. Is called space shuttle. Number 3, the first spacecraft to land on the moon was Apollo 11. 2 idea 11. The garment an astronaut wear is called, जो ये एस्ट्रोनॉट पहनते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? उसे स्पेस सूट. क्या कहते हैं? स्पेस सूट. So this is your question answer. You have to write, you have to do it in your copy with the help of my hard copy and this video. And this is homework. Practice these points 2 times in your copy. ये जो पॉइंट मैंने लिखे है, you have to write out in your copy and prepare for your exam. So dear students, do all these question and answers in your copy and write all these points in your copy. I think you all are able to know something about space. So dear students, keep studying and prepare for your exam. All the best. Thank you.